Hello again, learners. So today we're going to study how to add mixed number or mixed fraction. As you can see, we have here whole number and a fraction. So how are we going to add mixed number with dissimilar fractions? So when we are going to go back to the lesson of addition of dissimilar fractions, it is the same way. The only difference is you're going to add the whole number. So let us start with number 1. So here we have 2 and 1/8 plus 5 and 3/5. Okay, so we are going to add this since we have the similar fractions because our denominators here are not the same. First, you're going to find the LCD. Okay, so we have 8 and 5, so our LCD is 40. So let us just rewrite or copy our whole number first. So we have 2, and then let's put fraction bar here, and 5. Now our LCD is 40, and we're going to divide the LCD to the denominator of our fraction. So 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Then multiply to our numerator. 5 times 1 is 5. And let's rewrite, let's write it. Next, 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8 times the numerator times 3, 24. So here it is. We already have similar fractions here. We can add the fractions. Just add your whole number and 5. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. And then add your numerators. 5 plus 24 is 29. Just copy the denominator. So always make sure that your final answer express in lowest terms. Okay? Here number 1. So this one is already expressed in lowest terms. So this will be your final answer. 7 and 29 over 40. Okay, let's try example number 2. We have 3 and 2/3 plus 1 and 1/2. So just like example number 1, just copy your whole number, rewrite. So we have here 3, then fraction bar plus 1, then fraction bar. And we have here our denominators 3 and 2. So the LCD we are going to use is 6. Next, divide your LCD to the denominator. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 times the numerator equals 4. So next, 6 divided by 2 equals 3 times 1 is 3. Then let us add 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7. Copy the denominator. So here we have 4 and 7 over 6. As you can see, our fraction here is an example of improper fraction. You need to change the improper fraction into mixed number. Okay, in order for us to make this improper fraction to mixed number, just divide your numerator to the denominator. So we have here 7 divided by 6. 7 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Then subtract. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Let's rewrite our quotient into fraction. So this one will be your numerator, 1. And then your remainder will be your numerator, 1. And just copy the denominator, 6. Since we have here our whole number, we need to add the whole number to our whole number here. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And then copy the fraction, 1 over 6. This will be our final answer. Our last example, 2 and 2/5 plus 4 and 5 over 7. So copy our whole number plus 4 fraction bar. And our LCD 5 and 7 is 35. Next, divide your LCD to the denominator. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7 times 2 is equal to 14. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Then add 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 14 plus 25 is equal to 39 over 35. So we have here improper fraction again. When we say improper fraction, means the numerator is greater than the denominator. So this time we're going to change this into mixed number. Divide your numerator, 39 divided by 35. So how many 35s do we have in 39? We only have 1. 1 times 35 is 35. And then subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4 and then 0. So let's rewrite this into fraction. Our whole number is your quotient, and the remainder will be your numerator, and then just copy the denominator. So we have here the whole number. Just add this to the whole number here. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And then copy the fraction here, 4 and 35. Therefore, the final answer is 7 and 4 over 35. I hope you learned a lot about how to add mixed number with dissimilar fractions. This is easy.